All right, guys, honestly, how long does it take you in LightBurn, or how much time do you actually spend trying to line these things up? I used to waste so much time doing that until I literally forced myself to start using hotkeys. Watch this. So don't just drag the text in here. We're going to actually center it completely. C to center, E to center horizontally. Boom, perfectly centered. Okay, so this is a really small thing, but it saves me hours every week. And I actually started compiling all of these shortcuts and hidden tools into this cheat code wall chart for myself. So I realized you guys might actually need this too. So I'm turning this whole thing into an ebook, a guide, and a wall chart with some video tutorials that will be released next month. If you want to get on the wait list for an early bird discount, the link is in the bio. Happy lasering, guys. I hope this helps someone.